Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today I'm going to be learning how to make pan-fried chicken fillet with boiled vegetables and rice. So what you'll need is 1 kg of chicken, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander, a half teaspoon of whole spices, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, a half teaspoon of oregano, a fourth teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 2/3 tablespoon of chili sauce. So what Mom did is that she pricked the chicken so the marination goes inside of it. She added the oil, she added the vinegar, and now she's adding the soy sauce. So you're going to add all the masala into it for the marination, and then you're going to mix and then leave it to the side for 4 minutes. No, 4 hours, in the fridge. You can leave it overnight if you want to, but we're going to leave it for 4 hours because we're going to have it at night time. So this recipe is really easy and it's not that hard to make because once you've done the marination, that's it, and then you just need to cook it, and it takes like 7 to 8 minutes to cook anyways. So yeah, we'll see you after 4 hours. Okay, so now that it's been 4 hours, we've got our vegetables there. Our vegetables are peas, carrots, and broccoli. So she added a little bit of oil into it, just that to grease the pan. And you're going to put the chicken in on one side, and you're going to leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're going to flip it over and leave it on the other side for 2 to 3 minutes. We've also got corn on the side. So if you're wondering what that is, that's corn, which is corn on the cob. Cover it and cook it for at least like 2 to 3 minutes. Now that it's been 2 to 3 minutes, as you can see, the colour has changed of the chicken. So now you're going to flip it over to the other side and cook that for 2 to 3 minutes. It's got a nice golden brownish colour. Now I'm going to leave it for the other side. Now that the other side is done, you can add how much chili sauce you want to. It depends on your taste, if you like chili or if you don't. You can add less than 2 tablespoons or you can add more. You can also add chili sauce at this point, and you can also add it at the end. Now she's adding the chili sauce. You have to cook it for 1 minute. She's adding it on the other side. So this is the end result. Hope you liked this video. If you did, like, comment, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comments section down below if you tried it, and if you did, how was it. Bye. Allah Hafiz.